Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Blox Fruits on Blox Fruits game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. There will be some ways to get the Blox Fruits, and each Blox Fruits has its own ability. And I'm going to show you the first way to get the Blox Fruits. So guys, you can go to the Blox Fruits dealer NPC, and then you can interact with him, and you can buy the Blox Fruit with your money. Okay, and these are the Blox Fruits that you can buy. And if you want to see the ability, you just need to click on that. Okay, this is the Rocat Blox Fruit. It grants explosive movement abilities, allowing quick travel and attacks. Okay, and then the second one, you can also get the Blox Fruit from the fruit spawning. The fruit spawn randomly under the trees in the game every hour or every 45 minutes on weekends. So you just need to wait until the fruit spawn, and then you can find it under the trees. Or you can go to the Blox Fruit gacha located in the jungle. And yeah, basically you can buy the Blox Fruit, or you can wait for it to spawn. Or you can get it from your friend if they give you. And this is my current Blox Fruit, guys. Okay, and that's all the way to get Blox Fruit on Blox Fruit's game Opera Blox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.